Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you have been well, having a great day, happy crafting, whatever you have been up to. It's the weekend here. At this time, I am making this video. So, I would like to share some projects that I have made for my design team projects for Daniela, whom is Lily Fee the Paper Witch. All of her collections that you see that I have been working with are available in her Etsy and now in her Facebook group that I am also a moderator and an administrator. It is the Junk Journal and Paper Craft Lovers, something like that. Okay, I was a part of making the title and I still can't get it straight. I will make sure I put it in the description box and let you know where you can go and find this Facebook group, join us, and there's going to be some freebies coming up. So there's also going to be a fun collaboration that I will not go into too much detail, but stuff's in the works. So, without further ado, here are the projects that I have to present. These flowers that I made using her flowers, oh my gosh, Build-A-Flower, flower cut-aparts. It's going to be a link down in the description box as well so that you can find it. And so I cut them all out. I glued and layered them up. I bent and kind of manipulated the paper a bit. And so you can see Daniela is very generous, giving you a lot of different sizes, and you can kind of play with them as you like. And then I decided to glue and glitter and just have some fun and make them super blingy. I'm a bit late showing this one. This was last month's design team project, and it's, I believe, the Carte Postale is the name of the collection. But anyway, the band is inspired by Anna of Anna's Wonderland. And then I got these little, pipe cleaners, I think is what they used to be called, and just had some fun manipulating them into a heart. I made this memory Dex card. I did post pictures in my Instagram. I just haven't gotten around to doing the walkthrough with you. And I just went and fussy cut out these images out of one of the papers, and I did pop it up just a little bit, but it is mostly flat. You can sturdy it up, adding more layers, more paper, if you like. I'm just gonna kind of set that there. I'm gonna move this one a bit. Shame on me, making a mess. So here we have the opening, and it is kind of a fairly large flip, and that flips up. Here we have a tuck or a pocket, if you like, that I put some of the cut-aparts. And here's this one. It's her red collection. I'll make sure I put it all in the description box. And then here's this kind of a belly band that you can add more. I made this bag topper. And then I turned this one into a card. And then, there's even some journaling spots. This one is perfect for journaling. And so here you have just that belly band. Okay, and I'll get all of those put back in a moment. And then you turn this page. There's the other side that you can journal with. You can even, you know, this is a pocket. Okay, and that's where this had a home. Okay, so like I said, I'll get that put back. And then here's some cute little envelopes from another one of her collections. And there's even some cute tags, like little mini ATC card. There's that one there. Absolutely gorgeous images. She says this is one of her first collections that she made, and I think it's great for junk journaling. There's a lot of cool ephemera pieces. And then I made this, you know, not quite a twinchy, a little bit bigger. And so this is a double pocket. I used my finger blade. And before I glued it on, I did a little opening. And then at the top here, that's also an opening. I think these are great pieces. And then I also printed on printer weight paper or copy weight paper, whatever you like. And so those go back in there. Get these put back. Okay, and then we flip this here. And then there's this kind of waterfall area that you could add pictures or journal if you like. This is another spot here. And then, you know, just a little area that you can do some journaling. I used the Van Gogh washi. I think these are great journaling pieces. I just glued that on. It's not a tuck. For a minute I thought I made a tuck. And then this opens here like so. And more tucks and some more of the paper printed onto printer paper for some more journaling. So, you know, whatever you like. I love that digital collections you can do anything you want with. You can even print on vellum. But I really thought this is a great little collection for junk journaling. It has some really cool ephemera. So thank you very much, Daniela, for letting me play with this collection. And then here's the back. I think it's a great collection. Okay, I'm going to pause for a moment and get all this put back. Okay, and for my third and final project for Daniela's design team, I made this wand, and I believe it's digital washi. There was a page that had about 1.5 inches wide different pieces. There was 6 of them on the page. I cut out 3 and I fan folded, and there you have it. This was a cutout from the back, one of the background pages. This was another little piece that was in one of the collage pages. These are actually 2 little tiny Maggie home pieces that I happen to have. A button, the pipe cleaner. I made a tag using this same paper, but I absolutely, and of course you can see the gold thread. I love how it came out. I absolutely love it. And then here is the junk journal flip book mini album. You know, it's I lean towards making more junk journals, but anyway, so I used this gorgeous ribbon, satin ribbon. This is actually a bookmark, one of her ephemera cut aparts. another ephemera cut apart from another collection. I will put a link to this collection down in the description box. And so here's this tag. I thought it would be perfect for Mother's Day with all of the gorgeous irises. So I have a stamp set that I just got. And wow, it is here somewhere. Where did I put that? Oh my goodness. Okay, so that is here somewhere. So anyway, this is one of the smaller flips. It looks kind of like an envelope, and that's what I thought it was. And when I asked Danielle if I could play with it, here's this little heart pipe cleaner because, you know, I just think it goes really well. You can journal over here, but it was this, two of these, and so anyway, I will, like I said, I will link it. I used stickles. You recognize this cut apart here. It's from another collection. So you open this up, and then this opens up this way, and then I have these two little envelopes again, and I have a ticket in here. I made this little piece here. And then there's what's inside this one. So these are all really great for journaling spots. And there's this piece. I made this little tuck, and then that comes out, and then there's this beautiful paper. You recognize there's the butterfly that I cut out, and I just think it's gorgeous. I love that peacock kind of a blue that has just a little hue, and these are ginkgo biloba leaves. Aren't those gorgeous? And then I added paper clips. Here's a tag, and so you can journal there. I just love how this came out. And then here's this little spot. That actually all comes out. It can be an envelope. And then here's a little journaling card. And then here's some of the cut aparts. Beautiful tags, some like washi pieces. And then I took some and just made a little card. That's even a tuck. And you can journal there. Did I say that? And then this is just a little opening with another envelope. I love her coin envelopes that she makes. And then here's some more of the cut aparts. Beautiful. I love that blue. You can even leave it open like that for a little bit of character. So these are perfect for journaling, putting a mat, you know, even a mat for a picture. So I will get those links in the description box down below. Thank you so much for taking this walk through with me, and I will get this all put back all pretty again. Okay guys, thank you so much. This is Denise Abate Smith, Treasures of a Crafty Mind, and these are what my mind came up with for Daniela's design team projects. All right, see you in the next video. I have 3 more project shares coming up for Anna's Wonderland, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.